So this is the planting of our third community orchard, and so we did our first two in the spring, and this is our third one in St Martin's Field. There's a mix of fruit trees here.
I think the magic dust will do the job. Behold the magic dust.
We're putting in apple, pear, cherry and plum.
That's surprising.
This is all part of our wider restoring habitat around Otley scheme, and this orchard actually is just up the beck from another orchard we planted in Bennett's Court, which creates a nice wildlife corridor, or extends a wildlife corridor.
So we're planting bulbs and cowslips. We're hoping that the better drainage on the bank will be better for them, because it's really quite soggy elsewhere on this site. So hopefully the bank will look beautiful in spring. That's the plan. Plan A.
So we're finishing off by stacking up some wood chip, which will help the fruit tree retain water throughout the spring and summer. It will also prevent grass and other wild plants from creeping in and competing with the fruit tree until she gets a chance to establish. So it just gives her a bit of space.
These are little cowslip plugs which have been grown and are nicely rooted now, so we can put those in around the trees. They're much easier to take than seed, and they'll come up next spring. So they're a combination of looking good and looking natural and wild, and also attracting insects because they're early nectar. They're going to have a very happy life around this tree. One of our objectives now is to try and get linked wildlife corridors through Otley. So we're not so bad east to west because we've got the river, which is a good wildlife corridor, but north to south it's actually very difficult for insects and songbirds and what have you to find places to roost and to eat and to find food. So one of our focuses is people's gardens, because they can provide a really wonderful wildlife habitat and increase the number of songbirds and beneficial insects.